Hi, my name is Chrissy. I'm a yoga teacher here in Chicago. I'm going to be guiding you through a breath-focused meditation or pranayama-focused meditation. Um, when I personally meditate, it's hard for me to just sit and meditate. I need to do a little bit of breathing, a little bit of something with my breath to help focus my mind a little bit easier. Another thing I like to use is these little yoga or meditation pillows to sit on. Also, while we're doing this, feel free to straighten the legs and shake out the knees from time to time if you need to change the position of your legs. So the first breath technique that we're going to be doing is breath of fire. This breath it's also, they call it Kapalabhati. And this breath is a cleansing breath. And it's meant to kind of clear out toxins or clear out kind of things that are stuck. It's a focus on the exhale. And the way that you do it is you pump your exhales and then your inhales come naturally. And every time you pump and exhale, it's like you're trying to press your breath out by contracting your lower belly. So it kind of looks and sounds like this. Now what I'm doing is I'm exhaling through my nose, but I'm actually kind of creating the whispering sound at the back of the throat. So it's not super nasally, it's more of a kind of a throaty breath. Depending on your level of practice, you might be able to go a little quicker. You can also go a little bit slower. I'm going to keep it on the slow side for you guys for this particular meditation. And then the second breath technique that we're going to work on is alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi. And this is a balancing breath. So it kind of balances the energies of the right and the left side of the brain. So whether you're feeling a little bit sluggish or maybe you're feeling a little bit frantic and frazzled, this is a great way to kind of balance those two energies. And the way that we'll set up for that one is you'll take your thumb and your index fingers and place them over your nostrils on your right hand. So your right thumb over your right nostril, and then your index finger over your left nostril. And then from there, I'll guide you into breathing in and out through alternate nostrils. So once we get there, I will give you guys the tools to do that. So for that in mind, come to a comfortable seat. Make sure that you're sitting nice and tall. And again, like I said, if at any point you need to change the positions of your legs or just kind of come out of it, please come out of it. Also, one more thing, if you're pregnant, you probably shouldn't practice too much of this pranayama. I would recommend just keeping your breath smooth and steady in and out through your nose. Okay? So when you're ready, start to close your eyes. And just take a few moments to breathe in and out of your nose, just without really doing anything to the breath. Try not to control the breath or manipulate the breath in any way. And just notice the breath. Notice if there's a part of the breath that feels a little bit shorter or longer. Notice how the body moves when you breathe in and out. Every time you inhale, there's this expansion of the ribs, this lift of the chest. And then as you exhale, it kind of softens and draws back in. I'm going to do 3 rounds of Kapalabhati. We're going to do 10 pumps each. So we'll take it slow. Of course, if you want to do a little more and you want to go a little faster, that's fine. If you have a hard time accessing your belly, place your right hand on your belly and just press your belly back when you exhale. Take a big inhale. We'll begin the first round of breath of fire. Now take a big inhale. And then hold your breath at the very top. Lift your sternum and lower your chin a little bit. And then lifting your chin, exhale all the breath out. Now take a recovery breath, inhaling slowly. And then exhale. Placing your right hand on your belly if you'd like. Take another inhale. And then we'll begin round 2 when you're ready. Inhale all the breath in through the nose. Hold it in. lifting your chest and lowering your chin. And lift your chin, exhale all the breath out. Take a full round recovery breath. Inhale and exhale. And for the last round, feel free to place your right hand on your belly again if you'd like. Take an inhale. And 10 more pumps, Kapalabhati. Inhale through the nose. Sip in a little bit more if you can. Hold it at the top. Allow your chin to drop down slightly as your sternum lifts. And then exhale. Take a few rounds of breath here, just recovering from that, noticing how you feel. And keeping your right elbow, you're resting on the right ribs, your right hand, and place your thumb over your right nostril without closing it. And then your ring finger over your left nostril without closing. Make sure your right elbow is relaxed, relax the shoulders. Take a few more breaths here. Now on your next inhale, seal your left nostril, close, and inhale through the right. And at the very top of your inhale, close both nostrils and pause. Now release your left nostril, let it open, and exhale through the left. Now inhale through your left. Inhale as much as you can, but go slow. And then again, close both nostrils, pause. And then release your right nostril and slowly exhale through the right. And that's one round of Nadi Shohan. Let's do another one together. Inhale through the right. And then seal both nostrils, hold it in. Release your left nostril, let it open, and exhale through the left. Now inhale through your left. Then hold it in, pause. And then release your right nostril, exhale through the right. And let's do one more together. Inhale through your right. Close both nostrils and hold. Then exhale through your left. Inhale through the left. Hold it in. And slowly exhale through the right. Let your right hand rest on your knee or your lap, palms up or down. And just start to breathe in and out through both nostrils. And once again, let go of the control or the effort in the breath. Try to let your breath be completely natural. Keep your facial muscles as relaxed as possible. And see if you can just allow yourself to sit here and notice. Take a slow, steady breath in. And a nice long exhale out. Do that again. Inhale. This time, when you inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. And then as you exhale, just kind of slide them back and down, but keep the spine nice and tall. And do that one more time. Inhale, lift your shoulders, almost like you're shrugging them up towards the ears. And then as you exhale, let them relax down. And at your own time, when you're ready, start to blink your eyes open towards the mat. And then gradually take in the room. Thank you so much. Namaste.